How's your face? Hi, Mr. Gaius. You guys have been rearranging. You've been so busy. Let's see. Let's see. How many kittens? Oh, those two are always there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Marby and little P always together. Which must mean how many are back here? You're so scampy. I totally have this all blocked off. Here's one, Smokey. Very scampy. And one more. This one here. Let me guess. It's Mr. Hilo. Mr. Hilo. That's everybody. Hi. Good morning, Miss TK and Miss Chef. Oh, you're so cute. You're just so cute. Oh, you're both so cute. You're both so cute. How's your face? Your weird face stuff, huh? Mr. Hilo. I know. The camera, what's the camera pointing at? There we go. There. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, it's Mr. Gaius. Mr. Gaius. Oh. It's so cold and wet out there. Fall has arrived. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, Miss TK. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. I'm going to pick you up. Yeah, you can do it. You can do it. I know, you're not so sure about being picked up. Oh, so morning, but now I can look at your nose. Right. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. And Miss Chef, you're not excited about being picked up either, but it's gonna happen. Yeah. Oh, what a nice pretty girl. So pretty. What a pretty girl. Oh, pretty, pretty girl. Yes. What about this guy? Oh, what about this guy? He's so adorable. Oh, look, it's outside. Look out there. Oh, he's so cute. Oh. He's so cute. What do you see? Oh. You're so adorable. Hi. Oh, you're so cute. Oh my goodness. This is a Starbuck. She's so cute. She's so adorable. Oh my goodness. That little face. And Marby. It's a little Marby. Hi Marby. You're so teeny tiny. Mini kitten right here. Oh, miniature, tiny, adorable kitten. Oh, you're so cute. Oh my goodness. You're so cute. Oh my goodness, you're so cute. Oh, yes you are. Yes you are. There's your sister. What's your sister doing? There she goes. Hi, little Pete. Oh, you're so cute. How's your eyes look good this morning, huh? Oh, you're so adorable. You're just the cutest. Oh, you're so cute. No. Give me the paw. Oh, you're so adorable. Hello, who's coming to see me? Oh, little pea. The little pea. She's so cute. She's just so cute. Oh my goodness. Here she goes. Good morning, Mr. Hilo. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. You're adorable, aren't you? You're so cute. Oh, you're so adorable. And you. Whoops. Who else? Who else needs a hug? Oh, you're so cute. This guy. This guy. Hi, Mr. Smokes. Oh, you're so cute. Your face is adorable. Oh, goodness. Okay. Oh, so handsome. I shall be back.